Right now, we're at
Showtime!
the place where used to be a real military base.
Yes.
And I want to do
Abandoned
a
military
mission
base.
right here.
Let's do this.
Let's see.
Come
what
on,
we can
baby.
find under the water.
Bring it. Bring it.
Wow.
See what we got.
I think I can feel something.
Oh, I know.
on
I
my
know you can
rope.
feel something. Look at the
Oh my
tension on
gosh.
that rope.
Look at that. What
is
the
that?
heck?
What could
What
that be?
the heck? I really can feel something.
Some military.
What was that?
He lost it. You got to go back for it.
Trying to pull it
You got to
again.
go back for it.
Ugh.
There it is. It's an
Wow.
ammo can. Just
What is
oh, it's
that
bigger
thing?
than that. It
It
could be
looks like a real military box.
military
gosh.
box. It's a real military
Oh
box.
my God.
But what's
Wow.
in it? That's the
If you want
question.
to see the full video, go to my channel right now.